Siren. The National Weather Service wants more consistency across our state for setting off the warning sirens. Today, the Weather Service held a severe weather meeting to discuss having all counties follow the same guidelines. Our Joe Mason has more on this new push.
Can you write this?
Tracy Aarons just moved into St. Paul's Cathedral Hill neighborhood.
The neighborhood's great. There's so many great shops and restaurants.
A block away, she hears the sound of the streets. A few feet away, she hears the sound of safety.
It's loud.
Now the National Weather Service wants all counties across the state to follow the same guidelines setting off warning sirens.
There are still some differences, and that needs to be worked on.
Todd Krause with the Weather Service says most counties, including all 7 in the metro, set off sirens for tornado warnings and straight-line winds of more than 70 miles per hour.
But there are a few counties out there that will just activate them for tornadoes.
And that inconsistency, the Weather Service believes, needs to change.
People may not believe one, they'll believe the other. You know, who do you believe? Some will act, some will just wait and see. By having consistent messaging, that's probably the most important thing with regard to weather.
Yeah, you're outside.
For Tracy, having a siren so close to home gives her peace of mind.
That's great. At least it enables us to, make decisions.
Now, to give you an idea of how things vary across the state, we checked in with Swift County out in western Minnesota. There, a tornado warning doesn't actually set off the sirens. For that to happen, a spotter needs to see a funnel cloud or a tornado before those sirens are activated. Live in St. Paul, Joe Mason 5 News.
And severe weather season is nearly over now, but the National Weather Service says Stearns County had the most tornado warnings in the state this year at 7 or 8. Our chief meteorologist, Dave Dahl, says that's actually a low number compared with past years. And you may be surprised to learn that severe weather isn't the only reason for those sirens being activated in Minnesota. According to the Minnesota Association of Emergency Managers, sirens should also be sounded if the United States is ever under attack. The sirens can also be activated in the event of any nuclear fallout. Minnesota is home to 2 nuclear power plants, one in Red Wing, another in Monticello.
People in many